Hello everyone, welcome to Creatively Organized. I'm Srijna. Today's video is wardrobe organization. The wardrobe that I'm organizing here belongs to my kid. This wardrobe does not have an option of hanging the clothes. Hence, I had to use certain organizers to keep it organized. Let me show you how I've done it. If you all like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. As you all can see, there is no rod here to hang the clothes, so I've organized it in this way. Let me start with this corner. These are his towels. I've rolled them up and kept it organized here. I'm using this organizer to keep his handkerchiefs and belt. Usually his belt is in his dressing table. I've done a video on dressing table organization for kids. Please do check it out. Now this rack here is detachable. The legs can be removed and folded away. This is the rack. It comes with 2 stands and 4 rods to be fixed. This is how the stand can be fixed and used. These are his daily wear t-shirts which he uses after coming from school. And here down here, immediately I've kept his Bermudas for easy access. Now next to the clothes are his uniform shirts and shorts. And down here is his sports uniform which he uses only once a week, so it's down here. Now underneath these racks behind, I've used them to keep his innerwear. I've rolled up his vest and kept it organized like this. And on this side of the door, I've kept his earmuffs now that the season has changed. Now let's go to the other side. Now coming to this side, here is another rack. The first one is over there. This is the second one. I've kept his occasional t-shirts. These here are his collared t-shirts. And next to it are his full-sleeved shirts. And below his shirts are his denims. All his denims are organized here. These are his night pants, and these are a few more of his Bermudas. Now underneath this rack, here I've kept a few napkins which I use them while he goes on his school excursions or picnics. I just packed one, and underneath them here, right under his denim, let me remove this, are his caps. These 3 are his caps. I organize them back here. Now under this I'm using an old towel. Under this first shelf there's another shelf where I organize. In this organizer I keep his sports t-shirts, his swimming shorts. Let me pull it out a little. His sports short, his goggles, his cap, his towel, everything is organized here. So when I is going out for swimming, he just needs to pull out things from his organizer and pack his bag. Now behind this is his taekwondo dress. This is his taekwondo dress. I keep it readily organized here. His belt, and now this is his raincoat. Now it's continuously raining here in it. So it's there. And here I found these organizers to organize his socks. These white ones here until here are his school socks, woolen socks. And on this side it's all his regular socks. Sock organizer, it comes with two of the separating panels. And this is how it looks inside with all the grooves. Take this panel, this end. I hope you all can see this part, the small one. This part, you put it in this groove. Show you again. See this groove over here. The top one. Show you from the back. Organized in this way. In here I put all his traditional clothes, his kurtas, and in this corners I put all his dupattas. Here. All his dupattas are organized here. All his kurta pajamas, all his traditional wear are packed up here. Organizing this way really helps keep the clothes neat and tidy. Now coming to this organizer, I have his woolens, his gloves, and his jackets are organized in this way. There's another one underneath. Here is his swim bag. There's a video on swim bag organization that I've done. Please do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. This bag is art and craft bag. This bag he used it, it's a sling bag. He uses for his music class. On this side is his wildcraft bag. And this bag is his overnight bag. And now next to this, I keep all the bed covers organized here. Now underneath here are our household supplies and cleaning products. Friends, this is how I organize my kids' wardrobe. I hope you all like it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.